Okay, today we have a Volvo C70 in today for its water leak procedure. So we're just going to show you what we've found so far. So my colleagues just shoved some lever bars down the window on the glass and putting some water down. And we're going to quickly pop inside the car. And if we look very closely, so we're looking at this bottom ledge down here. There we go. So we can see that that's obviously working its way inside the car there. So that would be the first leak. And the second leak is, if I can just get my camera up pointing now. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on this bit of glass on the passenger side. So if I just quickly go around into the driver's side. There we go. So obviously we can see where the water was sitting there. Let's just mop that up. And my colleague's just going to go to the back glass. And he's just going to put some water on the outside, just simulating that it's raining. Okay, so we've got an evidence of a driplet there on the top. So we can see that there's a drip there, and it's coming out from this little part here, as you can see, just where my finger is. So it is it's a common problem with the cabriolet roofs. This is a hard top roof. So there we go. So that's what we found. We found a passenger rear window and a driver's front door membrane on that one there. Okay.